Nex-Gen Building Materials Co. Limited is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, the Asian ceramic capital. With the help of the world's high-standard tile production line and production process, Nex-Gen continues to ensure product quality and service quality in all aspects of product research and development, production process, storage and transportation logistics, and customer service, and constantly launches ceramic tile product series that are popular with customers at home and abroad. Paradigm series imitates the characteristics of natural stone with classic patterns, rich color systems, and diverse tile surface effects. Tundra Grey series has a unique cloud pattern of natural stone, anti-slip tile technology. Paving stone and arc tiles are excellent outdoor tiles. The Vogue series uses cement finishes which are suitable for soft furniture with more tactile textures. Timeless gives you space and adds dimension with its potentially natural qualities, multiple shades and luster vein designs. The Luxe series of handmade bricks adopts a trendy retro look to meet a variety of personalization and high-grade needs. Nex-Gen's professional and experienced QC teams implement international manufacturing standards in production and supply chain process, and the company's mature and exceptional customer service continues to enhance consumer confidence in their purchase. Nex-Gen has also established long-standing relationships with international highly respected design and R&D institutions, ensuring a leading position in design and production technology. Since the company was established in 2010, tile products have been exported to more than 100 countries, including Australia, New Zealand, the United States, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, Japan, Maldives, Mexico, Thailand, and the Philippines. Nex-Gen creates faith.